Hello everyone. Well, in today's video I'm going to be showing you a brand I've never featured before on my channel, and that's the German brand of Thomas. And this video will feature the Thomas Aqua Pet and Family vacuum cleaner. This is more than just a regular vacuum cleaner because the Thomas Aqua Plus will also shampoo your carpets and upholstery, wash hard floors and pick up spillages. So without any further ado, I'm going to take all the parts out of the box and give you an overview of the machine. But don't forget to subscribe because I will be showing you this machine in a lot more detail and demonstrating its various features and functions. So without any further ado, it's time to remove everything out of the box and we'll have a closer look at the Thomas Aqua Plus. Okay, so I've unpacked the cleaner and all the accessories you get with it. So I'm just going to go through the accessories first and we'll have a closer look at the cleaner itself. Well, I'll start with the item nearest me. This is the spray nozzle for washing carpets and hard floors. Now on its carpet mode, we've got a little metal strip here and there's a spray at the back. So it works by spraying the cleaning solution behind the nozzle and dislodging the dirt, and you suck up the dirty solution using the suction channel on the nozzle. It's also suitable for hard floor cleaning, and it's actually got a built-in squeegee and brush. So to use it on hard floors, you simply pull the brush forward and lock it into place, and now you've got a squeegee at the front and a brush at the back. So that's suitable for cleaning hard floors, but not laminate. I will be showing you in a future video a special nozzle that's more suitable for laminate, wooden and parquet floors. This one's okay on lino and stone floors, but as I said, if it's not waterproof, don't use it on laminate. But as you can see, you can use it on your carpets and floors, back to carpets with the squeegee and brush tucked away. So that's the main carpet and floor washing nozzle. We also get, for upholstery cleaning, this smaller nozzle. So this is ideal for cleaning your stairs and upholstery and smaller areas that you can't clean with the bigger nozzle. It's also very useful for cleaning up small spillages. For example, if you drop a glass of wine or a mug of coffee on the carpet, this would be ideal to use just to remove that spillage. Onto some of the dry accessories. This is a crevice tool, a nice long length crevice tool on this model, ideal for cleaning inside the car, getting down the sides of your chairs and of course all those nooks and crannies. This is your upholstery nozzle. You can use this on upholstery, your mattresses, your curtains, and you can see underneath it's got some litter pickers that help pick up pet hair. So that's a nice wide nozzle there for your soft furnishings. For carpets, we have the turbo brush. This works on the suction of the vacuum cleaner. It has a rotating brush that rotates at high speed, and this is ideal for helping to clean pet hair and more difficult litter off your carpets. There's a little opening at the back here if you get a blockage, and also the front comes off, so you can clean the brush roll a bit easier if it gets wrapped around with animal or human hair. I'll be demonstrating this of course in a future video. Let's just pop that cover back on, lock it into place. But you've also got another carpet and hard floor nozzle. So this is straight suction. You've got a squeegee at the back and a brush at the front. And you can see here, litter pickers running the full length of the nozzle. Normally you'd get one or two litter pickers in the center, but this one has them running the full width, so that might be better at picking up pet hair, but of course I would recommend using the turbo nozzle. You've got two smooth running wheels and a foot pedal, so press the foot pedal down for cleaning hard floors, and then the brush comes down at the front, and the nozzle of course has the squeegee at the back, so it prevents the dirt from actually flicking back. So again, that's your straight suction. You can use that on lightweight rugs, but you can also use it obviously for cleaning hard floors. This is the solution pipe. You clip this to the hose when you're using the machine in shampoo mode. You get a metal extension wand which is telescopic, so you can adjust it to suit the height of the person using the appliance. This is your flexible hose. You use this flexible hose for dry vacuuming and any wet cleaning. You've got a little suction relief valve there, so you can briefly reduce the suction. You get a small sample bottle of Thomas Protex carpet cleaner, so that's suitable for carpets and hard floors. Again, I'll be demonstrating that and how much you put in the solution tank in a future video. And here is a very large dust bag. You only get one, but you can buy spares. Absolutely huge, and it's made of a tough fabric material. And this is the adapter that you need to use when you're using this machine as a bagged vacuum. But you do have the option of using water as the filtration. Instead of having a bag, you can use this bagless. But again, I'll be showing you that in a future video. Finally, of course, we get a comprehensive set of instructions. I almost forgot, this is the spray extraction insert which must be inserted into the recovery tank before using the Thomas Aqua Plus for carpet cleaning. So here's the vacuum cleaner itself. Now, one thing you'll notice when you take the Thomas Aqua Plus out of the box, it is considerably larger than many cylinder vacuum cleaners, but of course it does a lot more than your regular cylinder vacuum, and obviously it needs to house a lot more components than a regular vacuum. So although it's large and it's fairly heavy, it does have a very sturdy handle, so it is quite easy to carry up and down stairs. But my advice to you is carry it when it's empty, which makes it a bit lighter, and don't carry it when all the hose and accessories are attached if you find carrying things a little bit troublesome. So yes, it's big, but it does look more like a regular cylinder vacuum, unlike those tub style multifunction cleaners. So I think for regular cleaning it might be a little bit more convenient, because of its lower center of gravity it's not likely to topple over. Well, it's very unlikely to topple over. It's got two large wheels at the back, and here underneath two very maneuverable swivel casters. Now, this machine is made in Germany, and I can feel that the quality of this is very good. Normally the German products I show you on my channel, I have an exceptional build quality, and I think this Thomas cleaner is no different. The maximum rated wattage of this machine is 1700 watts, which is above the current EU limit, but vacuum cleaners like this, multifunction vacuum cleaners, aren't included, so it can have a more powerful motor. You'll notice a little slot on the back, and that's for parking your extension tube. So once you've got a nozzle on the end, I'll just put on the regular carpet nozzle, you can actually slot that in there, and that helps to keep everything together when you're storing the machine or if you want to carry it. But it's a little bit hard to carry. There is a little slot here. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be a carry handle, but it's not really very suitable. So my advice to you would be to carry it from the main handle on the middle. It's much easier to carry it that way. Okay, well, let's have a look at the back. At the back of the cleaner you'll find the solution tank that you fill with water and the correct amount of Thomas cleaning solution. Now, Thomas recommend you only put water up to 30 degrees in here. Don't put hot water, and certainly don't put boiling water. Just warm water, lukewarm water is all that's needed, and then of course you add the solution. The tank has a removable lid, so it's easy to fill. And also at the top of the tank there are two cutouts here, and they're designed to hold your cleaning tools. If I can find them, let's put that back first. So the maximum capacity of this is 1.8 litres, so it's not a huge capacity. So bear in mind, if you want to use this to clean a large area, you will have to refill and empty the dirty tank quite often. So you might be better with an upright carpet washer if you've got lots of carpet to wash. But if you want a multifunction cleaner, obviously this could be the cleaner for you. At this side of the cleaner you'll find the pump button, which you only activate when using the Thomas Aqua Plus for spray extraction cleaning. On the opposite side of the vacuum, you'll find the touch control on-off switch. When you first switch on the cleaner, it will go into eco mode automatically. If you want more power, simply press the power button again. The 8-meter mains cord is located at the back of the cleaner, and you simply pull it out and plug the machine in. Now this is a UK version, so obviously it's fitted with a UK 3-pin plug, but if you're buying this machine from another country, it'll obviously be fitted with a plug suitable for your outlets. When you've finished using the machine, to rewind the cable, you simply give it a slight tug and the cable rewinds automatically. To access the waste tank, you simply press the orange button here and open the cover. The waste tank is easily removed using the built-in carry handle. The waste tank features 2 foam filters which will require cleaning, and you can replace them about once a year if necessary. To open the tank, you simply remove the clip, and we can remove the filter unit, and then we can open it up and access the foam filters. As I said, you can easily clean those under running water, give them a squeeze, leave them to dry, and then pop them back in the lid. Make sure that the filters are always in the lid before using the machine with water. You've also got a suction filter in the bottom of the tank which easily removes, and you can clean that by rinsing it under running water, and the whole tank can be cleaned as well from time to time. Make sure that all the filters are in place before using the machine. So if I was to use this as a wet cleaner just for dry vacuuming, but as a water filtration vacuum, I'd obviously need to fill it with clean water up to the minimum line. When using the cleaner for spray extraction, the tank must be empty, and you also need to insert the spray extraction insert into the bottom. Make sure it's firmly in place. This incorporates a small float valve that cuts off the suction when this container is full of liquid. If you prefer to use a bag for dry vacuuming, you simply slide the bag into the bag bracket here in the direction of the arrows. Push it fully home, and then this part simply fits into the machine. There's a little groove here, so you slot it in, and of course you need to make sure the bag is tucked in fully, and then close the lid, and the machine will operate as a regular bagged vacuum. When the bag's full, you can simply close this cover here over the bag and remove it from the machine, and then dispose of the dirt. This cleaner also incorporates extra hygiene filters that will require replacement at least once a year. There's this blue foam, and underneath the pleated hygiene filter. At the back of the cleaner you'll find the exhaust filter that Thomas recommends you replace every 6 months. Well, that's about the end of my unboxing and first look at the Thomas Aqua Pet and Family vacuum. Don't forget, I will be making further videos on this machine showing you how well it works in dry mode, wet mode, cleaning carpets and upholstery, and washing hard floors. So don't forget to subscribe, and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I'll also be putting together a playlist with all the videos I'm making on this machine so you can see them all, and that'll help you decide, hopefully, if this is the cleaner for you. Just before I go, I'm just going to test the suction power at the hose end using my suction gauge. Now, a good measurement of suction power I've found in a cylinder vacuum cleaner is about 80 on the scale. You're going to get decent performance. But I have a feeling, because this is a 1700 watt cleaner, we might have slightly more suction. Well, without any further ado, let's see what suction power this machine has. Well, I can safely say at 122 on my suction gauge, this is certainly the most powerful vacuum cleaner I've looked at so far on my channel. But of course, sheer suction power doesn't equate to good cleaning. There are a lot of other factors to consider, but it's got a good suction, so I'm assuming that it's going to pull out a lot of the liquid when used as a wet cleaner. But obviously I'll have to test all the features and functions in future videos. But so far it is a little bit noisy, a little bit heavy and a little bit bulky. But if this performs very well, it could be just what you need to keep your whole house spick and span. If you have any comments or questions about this Thomas Aqua Pet and Family vacuum cleaner, please comment below, and don't forget to check out all the other videos on this machine where I'll show you it in action. So until the next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.